Hello viewers, I am Dheeraj. Welcome to my channel. How much do you typically spend on books? If you have already spent or planning to spend money on machine learning and data science books, then this video is for you. There are plenty of free books available on internet. In this video, I am going to talk about top 10 free books available on machine learning and data science topic. Please note that the order of books in this list does not indicate that a particular book is better than other books in the list. So, without waiting any longer, let's go to the books list. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for regular tech updates. Let's get started. At number 1 in this book list, we have Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow. This book is available for free in HTML format on the deeplearningbook.org website shown on your screen. The book is 700 plus pages long and each subtopic gets around 20 to 30 pages. Deep learning is a difficult field to follow because there is so much literature and the pace of development in the field is so fast. The book summarizes the state of the art in a textbook by some of the leaders in the field. What has been most valuable is seeing how it all fits together, which is hard to get in a research paper. I particularly liked the applied math and machine learning basics section. This part is very focused on linear algebra, probability, information theory, and numerical computation. All these topics are directly relevant to deep learning. It requires a solid undergraduate math background in statistics and linear algebra. But do not worry, you do not need to be super comfortable with it because the book takes you through everything. There are lots of books, courses, and videos out there, but this is one of the most comprehensive book on deep learning I have seen till date. I highly recommend this book. At number 2 in this book list, we have Interpretable Machine Learning by Christophe Molnar. This book is available for free in HTML format on the GitHub link shown on your screen. Interpretable machine learning refers to methods and models that make the behaviors and predictions of machine learning systems understandable to humans. This book starts with few short stories that will entertain as well as make you think. The book explores the concepts of machine learning interpretability. For example, when interpretability is important and what are the different types of explanations. Terms used throughout the book can be looked up in the terminology chapter. Most of the models and method explained are presented using real data examples that is described in the data chapter. This book explains to you how to make supervised machine learning models interpretable. One way to make machine learning interpretable is to use models such as linear or decision trees. The chapters contain some mathematical formulas, but you should be able to understand the ideas behind the methods even without the formulas. This book provides established methods and basic concepts of machine learning interpretability. These basics prepare you for making machine learning models interpretable. I highly recommend this book. At number 3 in this book list, we have Dive into Deep Learning by four main authors, Ashton, Jack, Mew, and Alex. This book has many supporting authors as well. This book is available for free in HTML format on the website d2l.ai shown on your screen. This book offers interactive learning experience with mathematics, figures, code, text, and discussions. In this book, The concepts and techniques are illustrated and implemented with experiments on real data sets. In this book, most concepts are taught just in time. In other words, the concepts are introduced at the very moment that they are needed to accomplish some practical task. This book devotes some of its part to teach fundamental concepts like linear algebra and probability. Most of the chapters of this book introduces a reasonable number of new concepts. Also, the book provides single self-contained working examples using real data sets. This book adheres to a policy of one working example per Jupyter notebook. Therefore, it is easy for you to start your own research projects by leveraging the code. I highly recommend this book. At number 4 in this book list, we have Data Science Theories, Models, Algorithms and Analytics by Sanjeev Ranjan Das. This book is available for free in HTML format on the GitHub link shown on your screen. As per this book, data science is about the quantization and understanding of human behavior. In the first few chapters, the book explores a wide range of theories, techniques, data, and applications of multifaceted paradigm. The book also reviews the new technologies developed for big data and data science. These include technologies such as distributed computing and MapReduce. This book says when data gets supersized, it is better to move algorithms to the data than the other way around. Ultimately, the book promotes data science as a way of thinking for social scientists using computer science. I highly recommend this book. At number 5 in this book list, we have Natural Language Processing with Python by Stephen, Ivan, and Edward. This book is available for free in HTML format on the NLTK website shown on your screen. Note that NLTK stands for Natural Language Toolkit. It is a leading platform for building Python programs to work with human language data. This is, of course, a book about natural language processing. Natural language means a language that is used for day-to-day communication by humans like Hindi, English, or Portuguese. Unlike artificial languages such as programming languages, natural languages have evolved as they pass from generation to generation. Therefore, natural languages are hard to pin down with explicit rules. In this book, natural language processing is discussed in a wide sense to cover all kinds of computer-related processing of natural language. Some of the examples are really simple, such as counting word frequencies to compare different writing styles. Other examples involve understanding complete human utterances at least to the extent of being able to give useful responses to them. Technologies based on NLP are becoming increasingly widespread day by day. Nowadays, phones and handheld computers support predictive text and handwriting recognition. This book provides a highly accessible introduction to the field of natural language processing. The book is intensely practical, containing hundreds of fully worked examples and exercises. This book is based on Python language along with an open source library named Natural Language Toolkit, also called NLTK. NLTK distributions are provided for Windows, Mac, and Unix platforms. I strongly recommend you to download both Python and NLTK and try out the useful examples and exercises along the way. I highly recommend this book as well. At number 6 in this book list, we have Machine Learning Yearning by Andrew Ng. This book is available for free in HTML format on the deeplearning.ai website shown on your screen. AI is transforming numerous industries. Machine Learning Yearning teaches you how to structure machine learning projects. This book is focused not only teaching you ML algorithms, but also on how to make ML algorithms work. After reading Machine Learning Yearning, you will be able to apply end-to-end machine learning, transfer learning, and multitask learning, diagnose errors in machine learning systems, build machine learning in complex settings such as mismatch training and test datasets, set up a machine learning project equivalent to human level performance, prioritize the most promising directions for the artificial intelligence projects. I highly recommend this book. At number 7 in this book list, we have Neural Networks and Deep Learning. This book is available for free in HTML format on the neuralnetworksanddeeplearning.com website shown on your screen. The aim of this book is to help you master the basic concepts of neural networks. This is including but not limited to modern techniques for deep learning. This book has written code that uses neural network and deep learning to solve complex pattern recognition problems. It will build a foundation to use neural networks and deep learning to attack problems on your own. The book will teach you about deep learning, a powerful set of techniques in neural networks, best solutions to many problems in image recognition, speech recognition, and natural language processing. This book will also teach you many of the core concepts behind neural networks and deep learning. I highly recommend this book as well. At number 8 in this book list, we have Python Data Science Handbook. This book is available for free in HTML format on the GitHub link shown on your screen. This book is not meant to be an introduction to Python or to programming in general. The book assumes the reader has familiarity with the Python language, such as defining functions, assigning variables, and calling methods, as well as controlling the flow of a program and other basic tasks. Instead, it is meant to help Python users learn to use Python's data science stack. The stack includes libraries such as IPython, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Also, the related tools to effectively store, manipulate, and gain insights from the data is discussed in this book. I highly recommend this book. At number 9 in this book list, we have Probabilistic Programming and Bayesian Methods for Hackers. This book is available for free in HTML format on the GitHub link shown on your screen. Bayesian Methods for Hackers is designed as an introduction to Bayesian inference. This book has computational and understanding first and mathematics second approach. This is an introductory book. The book is well designed with mathematical analysis in mind, so very good for mathematically trained people. For the people with less mathematical background, this book should be sufficient and entertaining. This book encourages users at every level to look at PYMC package. PYMC is a Python package for Bayesian statistical modeling and probabilistic machine learning. The package focuses on advanced Markov chain Monte Carlo and variational fitting algorithms. No doubt, with recent core developments and popularity of the scientific stack in Python, PYMC is likely to become a core component soon enough. I highly recommend this book. At number 10 in this book list, we have Bayesian Statistics Made Simple by Alan Downey. This book is available for free in HTML format on the website link shown on your screen. This is one of the several books written by Dr. Downey recently. All of them are excellent. In this book, he gives a clear introduction to Bayesian analysis using well thought out examples and Python code. There is a small amount of math in this book. He makes very effective use of probability density functions, cumulative distribution functions, and simulations. He provides multiple examples of model development, including design, testing, and analysis. The book is appropriate and very effective for self-study. I highly recommend this book. We have come to the end of this tutorial. In this video, we discussed top 10 free books for machine learning and data science. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel using the subscribe button at the bottom right of your screen. See you in the next video. Happy learning.